In this short video, I will show you how you can get started with the VBOUT multi-channel AI chatbot, focusing primarily on what setup you need to have to build your first bot. Now, because the bot is multi-channel, you can launch it on your website. So we need to be connected to your web page, and this usually happens with your setup. So if you go to your settings and you navigate your way to your website tracking code, you need to have your website added and connected, and the option to activate AI chatbot is turned on. This is really important. There's a whole wealth of documentations on this. I covered this in the previous tutorials as well, but this is not optional and must be done. Once you've done that, the AI chatbot will be available to be displayed and embedded on your website without having to do any additional steps. The second option is to deploy a chatbot on your landing pages. This is actually quite easy because once you create a landing page, knowing that you will be embedding the chatbot on there, all you need to do is go to your tracker settings. So I went to my landing pages. On the right side, there's a drop down. I navigated to my tracker settings, and I'm going to hit the Activate AI Chatbot as well. If these options are already turned on, that's great. You got nothing to worry about, and it should be taken care of. Okay? Now, the third option is to go multi-channel, meaning I can deploy it on my social media pages. I can deploy it on my SMS. And VBOUT has a full-on social media suite that lets you connect all those channels. But to get to the screen, all you need to do is click on this drop-down right here, Connection Center, and these are all the third-party connectors that we support. So connect your Facebook, follow the process on here, choose the pages you manage, and these will be displayed. And mind you, the bot will be available for only one channel at a time. You cannot have two bots working on the same page, right? It just makes sense. The other channel that's supported for now is Instagram, but we'll be looking to see how these other platforms open up their DMs, and if we can also integrate with those DMs, will be only power to you. But the Instagram DM and the Facebook DM work almost similarly. They do support all the features of the chatbot, and the form can either gradually collect first name, last name, and email through a conversation. But if you chose to embed the form, as I will show you in the next tutorial, that will actually be displayed via a link inside Facebook or the DM or the SMS that takes people to the form splash page. And we have a form splash page every time you create a list and a form on VBOUT, automatically done for you, by the way. All right. And then you have the communication tab with Twilio. Here I can connect different Twilio numbers. You can buy multiple, verify them on Twilio, very affordable. And this can become part of your core SMS communications, and the bot can be responding as well. So that means people can communicate with you via their phones. Maybe you have a little elderly crowd who do not have emails and you don't want to deploy that technology. That's great. SMS is pretty much everybody has them, and most people know how to use them. If you have millennials who you want to grab their attention from Facebook, you get the option for that channel. And for everybody else, which Instagram has the biggest user base, you can cover that too. So this is it. These are the basic setup that are required. In the next tutorial, I will take a deep dive with you on how you can actually build the bot. But what you need to prepare is going to be your training documents. What do you want the bot to learn on? So imagine that you're teaching a new team member on your website, your product, your service, whatever you're offering, that you want the bot to respond through. So you need to have those documents ready, whether be it your resources or videos and so on. And also you will need to have a basic avatar for the bubble, which could be a little picture of you, or the company logo is what I recommend. Make sure it's square. I believe it's going to be 75 by 75 pixels should be sufficient for the bot. So this is it, you guys. I'll be showing you how to build a bot in the next tutorial.